Hi guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a corporate lawyer from Mumbai and I love making videos for you guys. If you love seeing this face, if you guys have been watching my videos but haven't subscribed yet, please yaar subscribe kar dena. We are super close to 1,000 subscribers and I really want to reach there real quick. So, आज के video में we are doing something unique, something new which we have never done before on this channel. I am doing a fragrance empties for you guys. So in this little basket, I have so many fragrances that I've emptied. We have deodorants here, body mists, perfumes, all of that. And I'm going to be sharing the notes, the reviews, everything basically about these fragrances with you guys. If you guys didn't know, I am a huge fragrance hoarder. I love trying out new fragrances, different fragrances. And whatever I've enjoyed recently and emptied are all going to be covered in today's video. Now, since I've emptied these fragrances, मैंने पूरा खत्म किया है, मैं आप लोगों को ना genuine review देने वाली हूँ, genuinely discuss करने वाली हूँ about these fragrances, whether I will repurchase or not repurchase, and how exactly I found these fragrances to be. So yes, I'm super excited and pumped for this video. In case you guys are interested, please do keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get started with the very first fragrance for today's video. I have with me the You Are Lovely EDP from this brand called Ramsons. आप देख सकते हो ये पूरी तरह से मैंने खत्म किया है. You get 30 ml of product and this is one of the most reasonable EDPs that you're ever gonna get. Okay, now this is not something that I had purchased. मुझे ये as a gift मिला था. मुझे किसने दिया था मुझे सही में याद नहीं आ रहा है at this point, but somebody had just gifted it to me and I happened to use it, and because I've emptied it, I can tell you that I've quite enjoyed using it. Now this is very inexpensive but this is super long lasting and इतने सारे notes मैं याद नहीं रख सकती, so let me just read out the notes for you guys. So इसमें you will get the top notes of bergamot, peach, orange, grapefruit and aquatic notes and a base of woody, musk, vanilla and amber. So जो base notes है ना इसमें, it has a lot of musky and vanilla notes in there and basically it's a mixture of like fruity and aquatic vibes. Yeah, it has that aquatic and like fruity note to it. Grapefruit का तो बहुत ही एक dominating fragrance आ रहा है. So if you guys go to college या फिर if you guys are under a budget and you're looking for something which will smell nice and fruity and is also long lasting but will not cause a pinch to your pocket, I think you can definitely pick up the You Are Lovely variant from Ramsons. It's a really good one. मैं इसको नीचे link कर दूंगी. Alright, next up I have the Black Musk variant from the Body Shop, and like you guys know, these body mists happen to be vegan. आपको 100 ml body mist मिलता है इसमें and इसका MRP है ₹13.95. Now let's just talk about the smell a little bit. So इसमें I can smell a lot of pink pepper and there's also vanilla and musky notes in here, obviously because इसका नाम ही black musk है. So musky notes तो इसमें है ही predominantly. Now I personally quite enjoyed using this, but I don't think I would be repurchasing this because I found it to be really mild. Like ये मेरे body पे half an hour के लिए भी नहीं टिकता था. So I don't really see the purpose of using this because I personally like EDPs and body mists which at least will last for 2 hours on my body and then of course I can reapply. But this literally would not last on me, so I didn't see the purpose of purchasing this and I will definitely not be repurchasing this. इनका जो strawberry and जो British rose वाला variant है वो भी अच्छे हैं, but same problem, they are very mild. So अगर आप लोग को migraine वगैरह ज़्यादा होता है या फिर you guys definitely enjoy something on the milder side for yourself, then you will definitely love the body mists from Body Shop. But if you're like me, you like ऐसे loud and long lasting fragrances, I don't think Body Shop में आपको अच्छे options मिलेंगे. So yeah, that's that. Alright, next up I have two EDPs from Bella Vita. I have Rose and Date and दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे थे. So let's talk about their notes one by one. सबसे पहले we'll talk about this one, Rose. इसका मैंने cap misplace कर दिया है. I'm really sorry. I have with me the travel size छोटा वाला version है मेरे पास. ये 20 ml का bottle है and guys, this was really nice. मुझे ना इसका fragrance बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. It's obviously very floral. Like it has these notes of rose and jasmine coming in and floral side में थोड़ा सा peachy notes भी आता है इससे, लेकिन this is a very like mild fragrance, if I can put it at that. I mean, you will not get that irritating smell of rose which tends to trigger headaches. As per me, it's a very nice subtle fragrance, but it is also long lasting at the same time. That's something that I would definitely like to tell you all, that when it comes to budget friendly EDPs, no, I think Ramsons and Bella Vita both are doing a great job. Bella Vita के तो मैंने बहुत सारे वेरिएंट्स ट्राई कर रखे हैं, लेकिन Ramsons का मैंने सिर्फ यू आर लवली वाला ही ट्राई किया है, which came to me as a gift, and I really enjoyed that because of its longevity. So coming back to this one from Bella Vita, it has obviously a very floral like नोट एंड रोज का ही फ्रेग्रेंस सबसे ज्यादा डोमिनेटिंग है, बट इट इज वेरी जेंटल इन माई व्यू. बट अगेन, इफ यू डोंट लाइक ओनली द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ रोज, अगर आपको रोज के फ्रेग्रेंस से ही चिड़ मचता है, देन तो यू शुड डेफिनेटली स्टे माइल्स अवे फ्रॉम दिस वन. बाय द वे, जो ट्रैवल साइज है, ये आप लोग को कुछ 200 का मिल जाएगा ऑन Amazon, एंड यू ऑल्सो गेट दीज कॉम्बोज, ट्रैवल साइज के कॉम्बोज फ्रॉम Bella Vita on Amazon, so do check them out. Okay, next up from Bella Vita we have Date. इसका पैकेजिंग भी बहुत क्यूट है, लाइक सो इजी टू ट्रैवल विथ, राइट. एंड ये भी आप लोग को आई थिंक अराउंड 200 मिल जाएगा फ्रॉम Amazon. नाउ आई हैव नॉट येट ट्राइड सेनोरिटा, मुझे ना वो वाला भी ट्राई करना है, एंड ट्राई करके मैं डेफिनेटली आप लोगों के साथ उसका भी रिव्यू शेयर करूंगी वेरी सून. सो कमिंग बैक टू दिस वन, this smells so fresh, you guys. I mean, I can't even begin to talk about it. It smells so fresh. ये पूरा ही खत्म कर दिया क्या मैंने? एक भी स्प्रे नहीं बचा यार. This has nothing coming out of it. I'm just so sorry, but can you see it doesn't even have a single drop left. Just goes to show how much I loved it. Now this basically is super fresh, and I agree with the name, like Date. आप seriously ये लगा के डेट पे जा सकते हो, because you will smell so fresh. This has notes of pink pepper, it has notes of orange blossom, and base पे typically the ones that I love, and typically जो रहते हैं like warm notes ही रहते हैं, right? Musky and vanilla वाले जो notes रहते हैं वही है इसमें. So overall it's a very fresh fragrance, and I think if you are a college goer या फिर कुछ travel friendly ढूंढ रहे हो, travel friendly size का ढूंढ रहे हो, I think this is a very good option. Now coming to repurchasing, I will definitely repurchase this one. I just might buy the actual bottle, like the bigger version. This though I definitely don't mind repurchasing, because this is so fresh and this is closer to the usual kind of fragrances that I enjoy more. Rose, I think like I said, was a little too floral, but वो खराब नहीं है. अगर आप लोग को रोज का स्मेल अच्छा लगता है ना, you will definitely enjoy that one. वो भी बिल्कुल खराब नहीं. मैंने उसको बहुत वेयर किया है एक पॉइंट पे, but personally as a preference I would rather go for the Date EDP from Bella Vita. Alright, next up I have two empty fragrances from Nykaa, from their Moe collection, and both their names are super complicated to pronounce, and I just don't want to mess up the pronunciations, so I'm going to be placing the spellings niche somewhere. सबसे पहले let's talk about this one. I'll mention the name here. Now this one has super citrusy notes, which is why I feel like these are so suitable for the summer season. इसमें ना सिट्रसी नोट्स भी आ रहे हैं मुझे, फ्लोरल नोट्स भी आ रहे हैं इससे. सो आई कैन स्मेल रोज, आई कैन स्मेल लिली, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मुझे वनीला के भी notes इससे आ रहे हैं. So if you guys are looking for something which will make you smell like a flower bouquet and all fresh for the summer season, this one is going to be a great pick. इसका भी travel size ही लिया था मैंने Nykaa से. This will cost you somewhere around 300 rupees. And next up, let's talk about this one. This one is also a pretty popular one from Nykaa actually. So इसका भी नाम मैं नीचे मेंशन कर दूंगी. इसके नोट्स के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. Yeah, so this is Joy de Vivre. I don't know guys. I know I'm messing up the pronunciation for sure. समझ लेना यार, मैं नीचे तो of course tag कर दूंगी, and the spelling is mentioned right here. This one has a blend of citrus, floral and fruity woody notes. So इसमें basically सब कुछ package किया हुआ है एक ही perfume में. This has patchouli, bergamot, rose, magnolia and musk. So I like all of these notes a lot. Like maybe not magnolia that much, but patchouli, bergamot, rose, musk, मुझे ये सारे notes बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. This one is also very fresh and absolutely apt for the summer season. Wow. देखो मैंने आप लोगों को notes बहुत सारे बोले, like patchouli, bergamot, this and that, but the moment I spray it, no, I personally feel that I start smelling like an orange peel. मतलब ये बहुत ही ना ऐसे citrusy and fresh smell करता है. एंड आई फील लाइक अगर आप लोग समर मंथ्स में कहीं पे बाहर जा रहे हो ना, यू वुड जस्ट लाइक टू स्प्रिट्ज दिस ऑन यू. इट्स सो गुड फॉर द समर सीजन. आई नो वी आर अप्रोचिंग द मॉनसून, बट गाइज ये तो आपके पास एक होना ही चाहिए. आई थिंक इफ आई हैव टू रीपर्चेज, आई विल डेफिनेटली रीपर्चेज दिस पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट, लाइक जॉय दे विवरे व्हाटएवर दैट इज. ये वाला मैं करूंगी. जो आर वाला था probably I will not repurchase, but yeah, you can make your pick. Personally, I am a bigger fan of the notes of this one because this has more like a packaged kind of a fragrance notes, but this one has more of like floral, so ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा floral side पे चला जाता है. For me, I'm definitely going for this one. Alright guys, next up I have with me Bombshell Passion fragrance mist from Victoria's Secret. This was one of the gifts that I had given myself for my 28th birthday, if I'm not wrong. So this is something that I've enjoyed using so much. It's basically a combination of like fruity and vanilla notes, okay? And मैं आप लोग को notes बता भी देती हूँ. So this basically has cherry, peony. So sorry for that guys, I was getting a call. So this basically has cherry, peony and of course vanilla है इसके base में. So it's really nice. The only problem I have with this is that it is not as long lasting as the EDPs that I have shown you in this video. Now obviously it's a body mist, so it will not linger around on your body for that long. But इसका जो price है, I think I paid some 1800 or 2000 rupees for this particular mist. That too on sale. Without sale, I think उससे भी ज़्यादा price है इसका. So considering the price, these should have been more long lasting. But again, it is a body mist, so it doesn't last that long on me. I think even from Bath and Body Works, except the Pink Obsessed one जो मैंने recently उनसे लिया है ना, जो भी दूसरे mist मैंने उनसे try किए हैं were never in competition with the EDPs that I use, because EDPs obviously last much longer on us. So I think I'm gonna skip this one. I probably wanna try other variants from them, like I'm trying a vanilla one from them. I want to try their pure seduction one, but ये bombshell वाला I think for now I'm gonna skip it. I will not repurchase it immediately because मैंने इसको बहुत use किया है, and because इसमें 250 ml का quantity मिलता है, ये तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा use किया. एक point में मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, like चलते ही जा रहा है, but yeah, that was how it was. But yes, for now I'm not gonna repurchase this. But if you guys want to try something from Victoria's Secret, you guys can definitely go ahead and try this one. It's a good one. अगर आप लोग को floral and vanilla notes का जो amalgamation है पसंद है, go for this one, but just know it is not going to be long lasting. Alright guys, let's move on to the next fragrance for today's video. I have emptied the Desire Undiluted EDP from Westside. Now guys, ये वीडियो बिल्कुल भी aesthetic नहीं बन रहा है because इसका भी मैंने lid, ढक्कन, जो भी बोलना चाहो बोल लो, खो दिया है. I don't know where the hell it is, but मैं collect कर रही थी यार ये सारे fragrances आप लोग के लिए ये वीडियो बनाऊंगी, मतलब ये सोच के मैं collect कर रही थी, and I have lost the ढक्कन्स of these EDPs, so please forgive me for that. Anyway, moving on, this is from Westside. Now Westside is one of those places जहाँ पे ना we usually don't go for buying clothes. मतलब मैं और विवेक वहाँ पे perfumes check out करने जाते हैं, and हमें कुछ footwear या कपड़े अच्छे लग जाते हैं तो we purchase them. But ideally हम जाते हैं perfumes check out करने के लिए, because Westside I feel is one of those places along with Zara which keep experimenting with fragrances, and of course बहुत सारे dupes भी वो launch करते हैं. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही कि सब कुछ original होता है, बहुत सारे dupes होते हैं, but I feel like they have a lot of variety. And अगर आप जाके देखोगे, अगर आप फ्रेग्रेंस जंकी हो, तो आप लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ उनके कलेक्शन से हमेशा ही अच्छा लग जाएगा. सो दिस डिजायर अनलिमिटेड EDP इज समथिंग व्हिच आई कंप्लीटली लव. इसके नोट्स मैं आप लोगों को बोलना चाहूंगी, उसके पहले मैं इसका ओवरऑल इंप्रेशन जो गूगल ने मुझे बोला मैं वो बोलना चाहूंगी, बिकॉज इतने अच्छे लफ्ज में भाई मैं तो नहीं डिस्क्राइब कर सकती. दिस इज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज हैविंग अ रिफ्रेशिंग फ्रूटी अरोमा विद अ टच ऑफ वार्मथ एंड सोफिस्टिकेशन. So basically this is something which is very classy and sophisticated. It's not like your everyday fragrance. ये बहुत ही एक sophisticated fragrance है on women who are like above 25-26, who are going for this meeting, या फिर थोड़े से mature लोगों के लिए I think ये fragrance ज़्यादा suitable है in my view. Wow, I'm not saying कि college girls के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, but I somehow feel like a little more mature women can carry this off better. Now this has top notes of mango, passion fruit, and heart notes of lotus and vetiver, and base notes में basically has sandalwood. So इसमें musky या vanilla के notes आपको नहीं मिलेंगे base में, लेकिन आपको mango का एक वो fragrance definitely इसमें linger करता है. And lotus and vetiver है, which is so unusual because usually किसी भी EDP में अगर floral notes रहते हैं ना, तो वो primarily या predominantly rose and jasmine के ही होते हैं. Like आपने देखा ये वीडियो में बहुत सारे EDPs में था floral notes में rose and jasmine ही थे, but इसमें लोटस एंड वेटिवर है and sandalwood hai, so it's really nice you guys. And the best part is that this was super long lasting, super long lasting. Now I recently had gone to West Side and I couldn't find this in their offline store, but I think on their app you will find it, so I will try and find the link of this and mention it below. Like I said, agar aap log mature fragrance dhoond rahe ho which will have that warmth and yet that fruity jazz, this is going to be perfect for you all. Alright you guys, coming down to the last two fragrances for today's video. I emptied the English Lavender Refreshing Body Spray from Yardley, London. This is something that I have used once or twice during my school and college days. So yes, ये काफी पुराना product है and काफी amazing है, like very refreshing, especially for the summer season. Really refreshing. I will be placing all the notes on the screen, so आप check out कर सकते हो. If you guys primarily love lavender, which I do, then you can definitely check this one out. Of course, not a pinch on your pocket. बहुत ही cost friendly product है and I feel like this for a deodorant lasts really long. And इसका ना मेरे पास talcum powder भी है. For the peak summer season in Bombay, I had gotten its talcum powder as well, and मैं वो भी use करती थी after shower, and उसके बाद मैं ये लगाती थी, और उसके बाद मैं EDP लगाती थी. ये पूरा combination ना इतना ज़्यादा long lasting बन गया था. So yes, if you guys are under a budget, definitely ये check out कर सकते हो. If you love lavender, you're gonna love this one. And the last fragrance for today's video is this roll-on from Zara. I have it in the variant Red Temptation. This is what it looks like. थोड़ा सा इसमें product बचा है, but let's just consider it an empty for this video. Wow. Now Red Temptation guys is one of the most popular fragrances from Zara, and हर एक YouTuber के winter favorites video में ना Zara Red Temptation रहता ही रहता है. I had personally gotten the roll-on because मुझे ना ये smell करके देखना था कि what is the hype all about. And before getting the bigger bottle, I wanted to try out the roll-on, and it turned out to be so amazing. I love it. It's very warm, very musky. This is more like an evening fragrance and not really a morning fragrance. The evenings go, nights go, for your dates and everything, I think you would love to carry this. अगर आप लोग को ऐसे warm and musky notes अच्छे लगते हैं fragrances में, you will definitely like Zara का Red Temptation. मेरे पास तो roll-on है, but you guys can go ahead and pick up the perfume, the full bottle, and yeah, those were all the fragrances for today's video. So guys, do let me know if you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe भी कर लेना. Subscribe के साथ साथ do click on the bell notification icon right next to it, so that each and every time I upload a new video, you get instantly notified. Chalo, I will see you in the next video, which is going to be really soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Lots of love from my side. Bye bye.